so sad?
They didn't follow us.
You are upset over that.
Upset? I am destroyed. I gave them comedy, I gave them love, I gave them an emotional breakdown, and they still didn't follow.
How are you doing, honey?
Mom, stop bothering me. I am really not in a good mood.
Don't be sad. I'll get you some snacks.
I don't want snacks. I want a wife.
Oh my gosh!
I am paralyzed. I slipped on a wet floor at Walmart. My neck, my back.
There is nothing wrong with him.
I'm suing the government. I want $1 billion in seeds. Ha! You hear me? $1 billion. Sunflower, pumpkin, the fancy ones.
He's perfectly fine.
I'm dying.